These are the mountains of the driveway. I'm working on here, as you can see, trying to get that pile. And we pretty much got it all taken care of here. And as you can see, it's raining out here. Yep. Here's my car, parked out here in the yard. And see, we missed the driveway. Okay, a little bit of a rain here. Do some filming out here. Okay. Okay, here we are. We're getting ready to take off. Onto the runway here. Basically just cruising around with the video camera here. It's kind of a rainy day. Maybe I figured I can get a good picture of I doubt there's going to be any tornadoes or anything like that, but there's a good possibility of seeing maybe seeing a rainbow or something like that. We can catch on video. As a matter of fact, there's one forming right over there. There's a rainbow. Let's see if I can get a clear shot of it here. Do I have it there? Yeah, a little bit. I guess that's it. Oh well, I might have a better chance of getting a shot at a rainbow here or something really cool to look at. I'm headed down this direction here because it's the only store that sells my medication. It's not really medication, but it's I take it because it helps me sleep at night. It's not bad for you. It's just like caffeine. Except it's like an antihistamine, kind of like a sleep aid. And let's see here. And let's see. What do we got here? 60. We can bump her up to about. Let's see here. Yeah. Yeah. What do I do when I drive all by myself? Hardly even listen to the radio. All I do is just think. That's why I like to drive. I don't know why. I have over 300,000 miles of driving in. This is kind of like my favorite spot here on, well, except for that spot there. That's usually where the cops like to hang out. But, well, let's see what we can do here on film. The roads are kind of wet. Let's see here. Woo! Okay, I better not go any faster now. And it's a little bouncy, a little slippery. Be a little slippery when you hit a couple of those bumps there, especially on the rain. Okay, there's a rainbow right up there. Oh crap. Every time I see it, I always lose it. Basically, I don't know. I just kind of like to drive around, hang out, and it's one of those days that you just want to get out and just kind of do some sightseeing. It's a little bit different because it's like summer. It's kind of like summertime out. It's just like winter. Earlier. Hey, this is just where we're coming into Barkeyville here. We're just going to go ahead and turn on to I-80 and let's see, I-80. Yep. We're going to be headed east for a little while. Oh, here's our turn. it's looking pretty good out that way. Okay. Let's go ahead and ease her right on in. Let's see. Catch up with these buggers here. Yep. Yeah, 75, that's good. That's good. Just hold it right there. I'd say it's about that time. Go ahead and play something on the radio. Let's see what we have here. Okay, there's that rainbow I promised you. Oh, let's see. It seems like the trees really like to hide that darn rainbow. Let's see if we can get a clear shot of it here. Now, on the way back here, I'm going to show you a truck. It looks like it went off the road and it's sitting at almost a 45-degree angle off to the right. But that's on the way back, and I'll show you the. Oh, here's a rainbow. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see if we can get a good shot of it there. Yeah, let's get it from far away here. Kind of looks like it's sitting right on top of the Chapel on the Hill Church. Yeah, can't seem to get a good shot here with the contrast, but it's there. The rainbow is right there. Okay, let's get a good look here. Yep, this is where we want to turn off. Okay, right up there of this hill is Chapel on the Hill. That's where the church is, right up there. Okay, let's see. Right away here. Yeah. Here. Let's see here. I think I've been here. Whoa, here's a rainbow. Ah, man. See, I've been chasing that darn thing forever. What do they say, the pot of gold's at the end of the rainbow? Because you chase after it, the darn thing keeps on chasing away from you. Alrighty. Oops, gotta wait for this bugger here. I don't like when people see me out here filming while driving. Oh, let's see. There's tornado protection. Haha, right up in there. Whoa! See, this is a place. This is where we want to go, right? Yeah. Avoid some of these bumps up here, though.